Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the British Airways app on your mobile device. So if you're using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store, but since I'm using iPhone, I'm going to go to the App Store, this blue button on the right side of my home screen, launch that, and then go down to the bottom right, the search page, and start typing in British Airways. Press search, then it's going to give you a few different applications. So I always skip past the first advertisement and then go to the first organic link, British Airways travel app, and then the button, the GET button on the right hand side, press that. It's going to ask us to confirm Face ID by double clicking the button on the right hand side of the device if you do have Face ID checked on your device. From there, once Face ID has been confirmed, it will start downloading the app on this device, and you can see the progress of the download by the blue ring going around the circle there. Now that the app has been downloaded, you can press open from within the App Store. The open button will launch the app. And from here, we're just going to give it a little bit of time to load fully. And there you can see, guys, this is the British Airways app. And what you can do is either go to book a flight, you can select departure from which airport you want to depart from, arrival into which airport, return or single, the dates, the prices, then the find flight option. But I'm going to exit out of here. And in the top right, there's the 3 horizontal lines. Press that button. That gives us a lot more options here. You can log in, go back to home, book a flight, cheapest fares, so many more options from there. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.